Hi Year 4, Miss Flukes here. Hope you're all okay. This is a quick video to go through your reading for this week. So on the screen there are some clues as to what your reading text will be on this week. You want to have a think about what you might be reading about. But before we go into that, I would like you to have a read of this extract and have a think about the question. So I'll read it out, then you might want to pause the video and have a read of the question. Okay, so it's not fair. But I didn't even do anything, Alex muttered as he stomped up the stairs. Alex got the blame for lots of things because he was the oldest and should know better. There was food all over the dining room, and as he walked up the stairs, his younger brothers ran into the lounge to watch television. So the question is, why do you think Alex is upset, and how do you know this? So you might want to pause the video, have a think about it, and then I will reveal what the answer may be. So hopefully you've had a think about the question and the answer. This is an inference question, so that's why I chose it, so you could work on your inference skills from your Vipers. So why do you think Alex is upset? So there's a few reasons why he could be upset. It says he muttered, I didn't even do anything, so he's being accused of something he hasn't done, so that's going to make you upset, isn't it? He stomped up the stairs. By stomping up the stairs, it doesn't make him sound very happy, so that makes him sound upset. And it also talks about how he always gets the blame for everything because he's the oldest brother, so he's probably a bit tired of getting the blame just because he's the oldest, so he's upset because of that. So that kind of explains it. It says there were food all over the dining room as he walked up the stairs, so it suggests that they maybe had a food fight, and only he got punished and his younger brothers ran into the lounge to watch television. So he's probably upset because his younger brothers are going in to watch television, which is a fun thing, and then he has to go upstairs, and he's probably got the blame for it because he's the oldest. So that's what I think about it. You might have thought something different, but that's probably why he is upset. So hopefully you got something along the lines of that. So let's move on to your reading for this week. So you'll focus on two texts again, like last week, but the texts are linked. The first one is called Heraldry, and is a short passage in your New English book on page 94, and the questions are on 95. And the other is called The Middle Ages. So both texts are based on medieval Britain in the Middle Ages. So they're quite interesting. They are non-fiction texts, so mix it up a bit this week. So there are two videos on the website where I am reading both the texts out loud if you want to have a look at those, and the links to both texts are also on the website. If you weren't able to pick up the English book, then the text is on the website as a PDF as well. So on Monday this week, you're going to read the passage in your English book on page 94. And you're going to complete the questions. You're going to do it all today, okay? There is a summary question, I believe, on that page, and there's a question at the bottom where you have to draw something. Now, I've done the answers for this, and I drew it as well. So, just warning, I apologise for my appalling drawing when I upload it tomorrow. Just warning you. And then on Tuesday, you're going to read the Middle Ages, and complete the vocabulary questions based on that. So that's a separate PDF on the website which you'll need to read. On Wednesday, you'll read it and answer comprehension questions. They are based on a variety of your Vipers skills, and the same with Thursday. So you've got 5 to do on Wednesday, and then another 5 to do on Thursday, and they're all based on different Vipers skills, not just one. And then on Friday, I thought it'd be quite nice for you to do another book review. Okay, so if you didn't manage to do one before, you get to do one now. If you did, then you can do another one on another book. So you're going to choose one of your favourite books, and remember to send it in to either myself or Mr. Nugent so that we can put it on the website. So I've just got some examples up here. I mean, if you can't think of one, then you could do Rajat Kaur. I know a lot of you like that one. The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. I've got the Harry Potter books because obviously that's the one I would choose. And I know a lot of you like the David Walliams book, so it's just put these up there for some ideas for you. And then I think that's all. So enjoy your reading. The answers will be uploaded the following day, and remember they can be subjective. And remember, my drawing from the English book isn't great, so just prepare yourselves for that. Any questions, email me, Miss Flukes, at m.flukes@sdps.plymouth.school.uk, and hopefully I'll be able to get back to you. Enjoy!